Hello guys, here we are again. We have in front of us this new networking amplifier, integrated amplifier from SVS, American company. The name is Prime Wireless Pro SoundBase. I'm gonna do the unboxing here and check inside the product. So we're cutting the tape. Does not look traditional hi-fi. It's different approach. Like a desktop amplifier looks. Brochures and the advertisement from the company. And this is the amplifier. It's not heavy. You see, it's not that heavy. Comes with a remote control, and then we have a power cable. So the amplifier is manufactured in China, that's why we have Chinese batteries here. The GP company is the company that owns the KEF loudspeakers. The company that produces KEF loudspeakers, it's a battery company, so produces these JP batteries. And here we have the remote control for the amp, but we can use the amp with an app or with buttons that has in front face. So it's black, totally black here. Output for the speakers, line in to connect your CD player, for example, line out if you like to drive an external system, sub out if you like to connect a SVS subwoofer or accent or which company you like for example on the PB1000 you can connect here from optical in for TV, is useful, service, Ethernet in and out to continue, to make a chain if you like to use the network in other devices. Wi-Fi setup here, Bluetooth setup here, and that's it. Line in. We have two line in, one mini jack, one RCA, HDMI with ARC, not eARC because it's not Dolby Atmos or any 3D audio system, and that's it. As you can see, it's very small, very compact, has a display in front. You can hold it with one hand. So we connect the amplifier with powered up, and we receive this logo here with a color, blue color, and the inputs. Here is the input selector, so we'll choose input from this button here, Bluetooth, HDMI, and so on. And this is a remote control. We can do the same with the remote control, changing inputs, volume. You see the volume here. We can switch, we can dim the display if we don't like it's bright, but I like bright for the video. P1, P2. Here is memories for the playlists, for different services, for Spotify, for example, Tidal, to have direct access. So we download the Play-Fi, DTS Play-Fi app, and then we're connecting with our Wi-Fi password here. So we are connecting, still connecting, but we're looking good. Famous feature is the updating of firmware. So we did the firmware update, and on the screen, on the display here, we can see Play-Fi. This is the DTS Play-Fi, and the app here supports all these services from Amazon Music to Kubuz, Tidal, Spotify, Deezer, all this. We can have it, Pandora. So we can go like this and play whatever playlists we have easily. Let's play something Christmas, all I want for Christmas, it's like this. So on the screen here we see Tidal, the title of the song that we play. We can adjust the volume. We can go to the second track if we like. On the screen we see just characters, we cannot see the album image of the album. Rocking around the Christmas tree, it's the title that we're playing right now. So it looks very promising, functions very well, and we can have multi-room systems here. You can add other DTS Play-Fi devices. Even televisions now they have DTS Play-Fi, like Philips, for example. We have 9624 bit stream wireless, and that's it. So we trying to discover more about this device. It's class D amplification, as we can see here. There is a heatsink on this side. You see it, heatsink. Here we sealed it. Probably it's the wireless board. This one here. The antennas. One antenna is here. This one. You see this black cable here. This is one antenna, goes all the way here, and the other antenna, which is the other black cable, this one, probably one is Bluetooth, the other is Wi-Fi, it goes on the other way. So on the top we have the antennas, on the top of the device there are the antennas underneath. So here are the electronics. The power supply is a switching one with a filter. And then we have here these capacitors are glued with this white gum, let's say, which stops the vibration and gives a long, let's say, long lifetime for the components here, because the power is very strong. If you put it on if you work it hard, this machine, or for a lot of hours per day, you need the longevity. Here are the selectors, electronic selector, input selector, and the volume. They are electronic ones. They are going here on the board. So here we have two regulators, three regulators, the Cyrus logic. So it's a very well made, very well and designed and treated for to produce quality audio, sound quality. So the manufacturer says this device is 2 times 150 watts. So this board is for the inputs and outputs, low signals, and the underneath board, the one with the heatsink here, it's for the 150 watts, is the power stage. Alright guys, that was the deep unboxing of this new Amplifier Prime SV Prime Pro SoundBase networking amplifier from SVS. Thanks for watching.